Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I came to the inner city of Munich to have a look at the biggest construction site that's going on in the city right now. They are building a new core route for the S-Bahn, and one of the big construction sites is here right at the Marienplatz. So let's have a look. So as you can see, there's a fence which is pretty colorful. We will have a look at that later on. In the background there is the Munich City Hall, the Neues Rathaus. So this street here, Theatinerstraße, leads directly to the Marienplatz and the front facade of City Hall. And on the back facade there used to be a nice little park. Have a look what's going on now. This colorful, nice looking, but it's only a wall. Some cranes, construction traffic, but right now nothing is going on there. I don't know why they're not building anything with this heavy equipment right now. Maybe they're in a phase where they don't use that. But this will be the new station called Marienhof on the second core route. And yeah, as mentioned, there used to be a park, and this park was called the Marienhof, so the backside of City Hall. As normal in major projects in Germany, they also have construction delay already, and the costs are already exploding. So they plan to do this for, I think it was 3.8 billion euros. Right now the estimates are about 6-7 billion. Let's see what it turns out to be. And of course the delay, the plan was to finish it in 9 years. Now we're already up to 12. So let's see how long this construction site will still be here. I guess it will take a while. As they're starting construction, they digged a pretty deep hole here in the Marienhof, and they will start the TBM, the tunnel boring machines. There will be 4 of them. 2 will start here because this is right in the middle. 1 will drill eastbound, 1 will drill westbound, and there will be 2 more tunnel boring machines, one starting at the close to the Leuchtenberg Ring in the east and drill westbound, and one will start shortly prior to Donnersberger Brücke in the west and drill eastbound. So they plan to meet the eastern TBMs in the Heidhausen area and the western TBMs close to Central Station. At Central Station they also started construction for not only building the station but also a new station itself. So they tear down the old station building, which was from the 1950s or 60s, and they will construct a whole new Munich Central Station, Hauptbahnhof. This will be pretty interesting, how and when this will be finished. And to keep the citizens informed what's going on, this container setup is here. It's been here for a few years now, right on top of the Marienplatz U-Bahn station entrance. There is the way down to the U3 and U6. If you want to have a closer look at the station, have a look up in the corner. I already did a video on that, and I will have to redo this video because they started rebuilding the U-Bahn station as well. Anyway, this is the Infozentrum Zweite Stammstrecke, which can give you information about the construction progress and about what's going on in the city regarding this construction. So let's see if I can take a right turn here and walk through. Yes, I can. Wonderful. And there are a lot of construction companies participating. Concrete companies, construction building companies. They all have a lot to do. And they won't tell us what exactly they are doing. Because yeah, they built this wall, which is not only here to protect the residents from the noise, but also not to show everybody what's going on there. And here you also can only see a few containers, a few cars, nothing major. And I'm not a construction expert, so I think they're just pumping some water in these pipes, these blue ones, out of the construction site. But what else is going on? I don't know. But this wall as well is a very nice one. Future against racism, environmental regards, against the war, climate change, identity, society. This was a competition, art competition by Munich schools. So everything you see here was set up by school kids. And this is really good. Yeah, participants, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 middle schools from 5th to 9th grade. They did that. And I think it's really nice. And of political importance, of course. And here the real wall continues. Pictures of the side of Munich City Hall, there where the green is on the art wall. This is how it used to look, and maybe how it will look in the future. We will see. Yeah, I think this is how it should look in the future. Where they already have made up some numbers here on the board. Because this says S24X, S71X, or is it 21? Can't read that. Should be 21X, yeah. And 23X. All these lines do not exist, and this is the express lines that will be installed here with the new core route. Pretty interesting topic and pretty much discussed topic. Which line will then run express via the new core route, and which line should run via the old core route, non-express. All this is pretty wide open, and yeah, we will see. Oh yeah, and that's how they expect it to turn out. The new station at the Marienhof. Introduction 2028. This is not the case. It will be later. So, this was the construction site at the Marienhof in downtown Munich. I will continue now my walk here in the inner city, and we'll see what else I come up with. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you soon back in Munich. Have a good time. Goodbye.